Activision Blizzard Inc. operates in the services prepackaged software sector and trades on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange under the symbol ATVI. ATVI has a good debt-to-equity ratio of 0.41, is growing equity at a rate of 10.5% per year and has lots of cash available for acquisitions, at $9.72 billion or 40.5% of assets, with a quick ratio of 5.11. It currently pays a yearly dividend of 47 cents per share. Activision Blizzard is increasing shareholder equity at a rate of 9.8% per year. The corporation has a share price of $64.81 as of Wednesday, January 12, 2022, and ticker's valuation models value the stock at $46.34. It has a rising valuation at a 15.7% increase per year. For more info on Activision Blizzard and automated valuation and insights for hundreds of other companies, head to ticker.com/listing.